Hey, what's up? It's Andre Lamont here. I'm going to show you how to pick out your hair with a hair pick. The first thing you're going to need is a hair pick. Second thing you're going to need is a spritzer bottle with water. You need to fully saturate your hair before you pick out your hair. Why? Because if you pick out your hair when it's dry, you'll have a lot more breakage and damage. When your hair is wet is when you lose less hair and there is less breakage. And breakage is when your hair gets brittle from like the heat and the dryness that it just starts coming out. But when your hair is wet, that's the only time you should pick your hair. When your hair is wet, it's the only time you should pick your hair. Wet. Water. Agua. Alright, wagwan. Alright, hair pick. So first, I'm gonna start by taking my my spritzer bottle. I'm gonna just spray into my hair. Let it get wet, saturated. It's alright if it drips. You want your hair to be soaked, honestly. Kind of like you got out the shower. You want it completely wet. Get all the way down to the roots. Drips in your eye a little bit, who cares? Hold up. You always want your hair wet. It is what it is.
Is what is.
Okay. Step 1's done. Step 2. Before you start picking and going down from the root like you typically do and you start pulling all the way down from the end, you see how your hair stops right there, right? You see how we put it in? It stops? Because you need to pick out your hair at the ends first. I'm going to say it again. Pick out your hair at the ends first. So just go around, lightly teasing the ends. You're going to do that until you feel like your ends are completely detangled. You want to get through all the knots at the top, because that's what the problem is when that's where all the breakage is happening, because you're not detangling the top. Let's see, my hair's already, there's a lot of volume coming up. A lot of knots are coming out, you can see. You're going to pick till you get a good momentum on all the ends and all your knots are out. You can go in again with a little bit of water. keep picking at the ends, okay? Get the back. You want to pick out until your hair is pretty, it looks like it's full, because you know how shrinkage goes, it's not really full. I just have my hair in dreadlocks, so a lot of the breakage and damaged hair is not coming out. All the damaged ends. So don't be alarmed if you see so much hair everywhere. It's normal. But having your hair wet, less and least amount of breakage. Okay, now that we tease the ends, we're gonna pick a little more water. A little bit more water. A little more water. And now we're going from the root. Do you see how easy it is for me to get through now? I'm not trying, I'm not pulling, it's not hard. My hair is coming up, it's coming out. See this? This is how you properly pick your hair. Because we tease the ends first, and now my hair become all the way out. So those places that it's not coming out, just tease those ends again. Tease the top, tease the top, tease the top, tease the top, tease the top. Oh. LOL. Tease the top, tease the top. And now you see, I tease the top. You gotta tease the top, tease the top. You don't ever want to just break through from the root, because then you're damaging strands, you're damaging your hair. You see that? You see that was? But you get the gist. You pick up what I'm putting down, right? Nah. All right. So as you can see, that's the proper way to pick your hair. Because I teased the ends, I can now pick my hair out properly. As you can see, a lot of hair, a lot of shrinkage. And that's how you do it. My hair goes past my ear. If I blew dry it out, which I might end up doing. This is the breakage, and this is normal. Thanks. Like, subscribe, share. And
That's all, folks.
and that's how you cut your hair, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Thanks. Drop a like.